Unity System Solutions. MSI Katana GF66. Katana GF66 Pros. Competitive pricing. Respectable CPU performance. Solid GPU performance in older titles. Numerous ports, including USB-C and Ethernet. Katana GF series is as powerful and sturdy as a blade and optimized to unleash true performance during gameplay. Katana GF66 runs at the optimum performance with exclusive red illumination keyboard so that you can shine on the battlefield. MSI Katana Laptop NVIDIA RTX Icon. NVIDIA GeForce RTX 30 series laptop GPUs power the world's fastest laptops for gamers and creators. They're built with Ampere NVIDIA's 2nd Gen RTX architecture to give you the most realistic ray-traced graphics and cutting-edge AI features like NVIDIA DLSS. Intel Core i5-12450H processor. NVIDIA GeForce 6GB RTX 3060 graphics. 16GB DDR5-4800MHz RAM. 512GB PCIe Gen 4.2 NVMe SSD. Lightning fast and smooth display. The 144Hz IPS-Level Display brings you striking visuals and smooth refresh rates so you never miss a thing. 15.6 inches FHD, 1920x1080. A healthy mix of ports line the MSI Katana. This includes one USB-C port, 3 USB-A ports, 2 of which are USB 3.2, HDMI, Ethernet, and a 3.5mm combo audio jack. The MSI Katana's keyboard is spacious and easy to use, with a numpad included for convenience. Keyboard backlighting is standard, though only available in red. The backlight offers 3 brightness levels. The highest is easy to see in a lit room, while the dimmest is only visible in a room with the lights off. Communication G-Flat LAN 802.11 Wi-Fi 6 plus Bluetooth version 5.2. Audio 2x2W speaker. Battery 3-cell 53.5 battery, WHR. HD type, 30 fps 720p, camera. Revolutionary cooling for next general gaming. Dedicated thermal solutions for both the CPU and GPU with up to 6 heat pipes. By enlarging the internal diameter of the thermal pipe and utilizing MSI exclusive thermal grease to ensure the maximum performance under extreme gaming. Illustration for GeForce RTX 3060 Ti. Design may vary by configuration. 2 fans, 6 pipes.